Hey there, my name is John Murphy from the Citrus County Chronicle, and I'm going to walk you through today how to activate your digital subscription. If you are a print subscriber to the Citrus County Chronicle, you automatically receive unlimited access to our website, and I want to show you how to activate that account. It is a multi-step process, so I want to walk you through it. First and foremost, if you visit the Citrus County Chronicle's website at chronicleonline.com. When you first arrive, you're going to see right in the middle of the screen this image that says activate my digital access. This is the one I'm hovering over right now. And just start by clicking on that button and it'll bring you to a form. Now the form is just, you're going to provide us with some information that we need to then take your print subscription and marry it up with digital access, unlimited digital access to our website. So in this case, we're just going to need your name, address, phone number, information of where you get the newspaper delivered, and your email address. What email address do you regularly and consistently use? The phone number associated with your account, and then just click the button that says, please send me my login information. All you need to do next is check the I'm not a robot and then hit the submit button. What's going to happen from there is our delivery team is going to receive that information and they're going to go into our system and make sure that you still have a current active print subscription. And when that's verified, they will actually create a username and a temporary password for you. And they're going to send that information to you in the email that you just provided. Now, that does take a little bit of time, but certainly within a 24-hour period, you should hear back from our delivery team with your username and password. And from that, you'll be able to log in and view all the content on our website, as well as our electronic edition of the newspaper.